Hello friends, hope you all are doing fine. Today we at Cedris would like to throw some light upon the post-lockdown scenario in the Indian economy. The area of focus is going to be what is the disruption which the lockdown has caused on the urban and the rural areas. We expect the rural economy to grow, whereas the urban economy is where we are going to see a lot of pain, and the disruption caused because of the lockdown is also being immense in the urban areas. So coming to basically why the rural economy, which we expect them to grow or have been fairly resilient to, what are the reasons for the growth? There are basically four reasons why we expect the rural economy to do better. One, the lockdown had a minimal effect on the rural areas, on the rural economy, because the harvesting had already got completed. There were very few COVID cases in the rural economies, due to which they were functioning not normally but definitely better than the urban locations. Whereas in the urban localities, because of the number of COVID cases, the economic disruption was far larger than the rural economies. So this is one of the reasons why we feel, because they anyways are out of a lockdown with minimal disruption. The second reason is that you must have seen that last year also the monsoons have been very good, and due to good normal monsoons there had been a bumper harvest, and this is going to benefit the rural consumption cycle. The third reason is that Met has already come out with their analysis of how the monsoon is going to be this year. This year again it's going to be a normal to above normal monsoon, due to which the consumption cycle in the rural economy is going to be intact. So these are the three reasons where we feel that anyways the rural markets were resilient to the lockdown compared to the urban markets. Now the fourth reason is the 20 lakh crore package which the government announced. If you see, most of the package was revolving around the rural economy, the below poverty line people, and this has actually helped the rural economy more. The various schemes which were announced by the government, like employment through Manrega. The second reason is they have given credits to the farming community, free gas collections, free food grains, and many such benefits which the government is providing because of this lockdown. So these are the four reasons why we feel that the rural economy is definitely being fairly resilient, and we expect them to do better in the future. Coming to the equity markets are going to be volatile, but there are going to be pockets, and these pockets are sectors or stocks which focus on the rural economies. So be it two-wheeler manufacturers, four-wheeler manufacturers which are focused on the rural economies, fertilizer sector, the utilities, and many such sectors which we feel will do well even if the markets do not perform in the future. Hope you found this helpful. Do let us know if you have any queries. Thank you.